Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Android phones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Trackphone Motorola Moto G Play 2024. This budget-friendly device comes at an unbeatable price of just $39.88, making it a standout option for those looking for essential features without breaking the bank. It features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is surprisingly smooth for this price point, and it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The Snapdragon 680 processor combined with 4 GB of RAM ensures decent performance for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and texting. Additionally, the 50-megapixel quad-pixel camera is a highlight, offering solid photo quality for its class, even in low light with its night vision feature. However, it's important to note that this phone is locked to Trackphone's network, which could be a drawback for those who want flexibility in choosing carriers. The design is simple but functional, with a durable plastic back and a color option in sapphire blue. The 5,000 mAh battery is another big plus, offering up to 46 hours of battery life, making it perfect for light users who don't want to charge frequently. While it lacks advanced features like 5G connectivity and high-resolution displays, the Moto G Play 2024 is a fantastic entry-level option for users on a tight budget. Pros: unbeatable price, solid battery life, decent camera. Cons: locked to Trackphone, limited performance. At number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, priced at $176. This mid-range phone strikes a balance between affordability and features, making it a great option for everyday users. Sporting a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1880 by 2340, the screen is bright and crisp, perfect for streaming videos or browsing. Design-wise, the phone feels sturdy, with its IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, which is a nice touch for this price range. The triple-lens camera setup allows for versatile photography, while the 5,000 mAh battery supports super fast charging to keep you powered throughout the day. Under the hood, it's powered by Android 14 and Samsung's One UI, ensuring a smooth and modern user experience. With 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1.5 terabytes. The Galaxy A16 5G is well equipped for multitasking and storing media files. However, the lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack might be inconvenient for some users. This phone is ideal for those who want a reliable, durable device with a premium feel without spending a fortune. Pros: AMOLED display, durable design, long OS update support. Cons: no headphone jack, mid-tier camera performance. At number 2, we have the Moto G 2025, priced at $199.99. This phone offers a compelling mix of performance, design, and features. Its 6.7-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate provides a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience, whether you're gaming or scrolling through social media. The vegan leather back gives the phone a premium feel, and the water-repellent design adds durability. The 50-megapixel quad-pixel camera system is impressive for this price range, delivering sharp and vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 16-megapixel front camera. The Moto G 2025 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset with 5G support, ensuring fast and reliable performance for streaming and multitasking. The 5,000 mAh battery with turbo power charging keeps the phone running all day. And the expandable storage up to 1 terabyte is great for media-heavy users. Ideal for those who want flagship-level features at a mid-range price, this phone is hard to beat. Pros: 120 Hz display, 5G support, premium design. Cons: HD Plus resolution instead of Full HD, no wireless charging. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, priced at $649.99. This phone is the premium option in our list, and it delivers in every way. With a 6.7-inch AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080 and a peak brightness of 1900 nits, the viewing experience is simply stunning. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth visuals. The design is sleek and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold, and it's IP68 water-resistant for added peace of mind. The Galaxy S24 FE is powered by a top-tier processor and 8 GB of RAM, ensuring lightning-fast performance for any task. Its AI-enhanced 50mx camera system is a standout feature, offering stunning photo quality with advanced editing tools like Photo Assist and Night Portrait. The 4700 mAh battery lasts all day, and it supports fast and wireless charging. This phone is perfect for power users, content creators, and anyone who wants a premium Android experience. Pros: flagship performance, stunning display, excellent camera. Cons: higher price, no headphone jack. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.